Hold it, hold it, hold it! Any luck?
No, still asleep. You'd think he was in math class.
How loud is that thing?
Loud enough to get the job done.
Really? Are you all mad?
I don't think so. Toby, you mad?
Nope.
Either.
And keep your voices down.
And who does?
That's it. If you don't think I'm going to tell the lady Olivia about all this, you are side music. Really? Come on, put 'em up, put 'em up.
Well, why didn't I think that?
Humph! Did he just say humph?
I think so. Andrew, you alright?
Let me at him, I'll tear him apart. I'll jab, hump. Maybe I'll sit this one out.
We can't just let him get away with this.
I wonder.
Wonder what?
Well,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes. Yes. Perfect. That should cook his goose. We're cool.
Excuse me.